Let me create another file. This time it's gonna be about tuple. Tuple is same as list. List is with square brackets, but tuple is with parentheses. So I'll create a tuple, my friends. And in parentheses, I'm gonna populate it. Let's say Bill, and let's say Will. Now, how to print it? Simply print it. Print what? Print your tuple. Save it and print it. That's it. Now I want to add myself to this list. So I say my friends plus I add myself. And with comma. Please pay attention, this is comma. Now let's execute another and print my friends again. I'll save it. Let's execute it. As you can see, I added myself right here. Now I want to add you also. You. I'll clear. I'll save my tuple. Let me see. And I'm gonna execute it. As you can see here, Michael and you. That's it. This is all about tuple.